Morning folks, me and Matty's just got up. I'm going to start heading back up home, but we're going to go to Stonehenge on the way back. I'm taking a bit of a detour because one of you people asked me to go to Stonehenge, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to admit that I'm not going to walk up to Stonehenge because it's £21 a person, so that's £42 for me and Matty to go and look at Stonehenge. So I'm going to park the side of the road and try and video from there. Whilst down like Somerset area, I thought, ooh, I'll get some authentic Somerset cider. You know, the inventors of cider and all this. Seen a cider, look, I can't even speak, Matty. I seen a sign at the side of the road. That's a lot of ciders.
Is that too much?
Cider road. And went and tried some, because it said cider this way, poison, and I can still taste it. There. I'm going to try that slightly again. I seen a cider sign at the side of the road. Done it. So everybody keeps going on about Stonehenge and wanting to see Stonehenge, one of the wonders of the world. I'm not that impressed. I don't think it's as big as I thought it was. I mean, yeah, it looks pretty, but it's not as big as I thought it was. Here's a hint for you. It's £21 per person if you park in the actual car park for Stonehenge. If you just go down the road a little bit further and take this dirt road, there's Stonehenge. So yeah, we can't get as close, but you can't really get right up to Stonehenge anyways. So me and Matty's going to have a little walk along. I might do some footage on my phone camera because I've got a zoom on that one, and I'll edit that phone footage into this one as well. But let's see how close we can get without getting caught. This road I've come on, it's full of camper vans, so people like to camp down here, but apparently they've got tripwires and everything on the way down that sets alarms off for the security come, because you're not allowed to go and touch the stones. But I think £21 a person that's not fair. That's really not fair to go and have a look at the stones. Do you? Leave a note in the comments down below if you think that's fair. I don't. If you park at the proper car park, which is all the way down them trees, the other side of there, you're going to walk all the way along this path, all the way through to here and into there. Works out about a mile. So apparently, we've taught our way into this way. I'm not sure if this is meant to be free or not, but that's the ticketed way, and this is another way. I'm not sure if you're meant to go this way, if he's just let us in, or if this is a freeway or what. I haven't got a clue. Sorry about the wind, folks. Yeah, getting closer to it. It's been free. There you go, Stonehenge. This camera makes it look miles away, and it's really not. Come on this path, I think, for free, or plug yourself on, or go where they are for £21 each. Pays your money, takes a chance. There you go. So I can't remember who asked me to come here. I have went out my way to get here. Stonehenge. See if it's any better than the iPhone, so you can figure out how closer £21 gets you. You can see. Rather than on the GoPro, because obviously the GoPro, with having a wide camera lens, it makes things look further away. So that's literally how close we get. You can get to like here if you pay money, because you walk around and go all the way around here, around there, and then come back. And that's the closest you can get. The security stop you. There's the security guard. I'm squashing his head. I'm squashing his head. So yeah, I'll zoom in for you. So yeah, Stonehenge, if you want to see them for free, you come and park on this road. If you've got a camper van, park here overnight, everybody else seems to do, and just walk through the free entrance. I presume it's free. I mean, he did ask if I was with the other family and let me through, so I presume it's free. I think it is. All pay £21 and get a little bit closer.
But he did not see any tickets from them, so...
Yeah, they didn't show any tickets, so I wonder why he asked if I was with them. It might have just been a question. I don't know. But we've seen it for free. One thing you've got to watch when you drive along the road which goes past Stonehenge is slow moving traffic. Can you see it? You get a lot of rubbernecks because there's Stonehenge and there's the road. Past Stonehenge, when my sat-nav shuts up, you get a lot of rubbernecks. So these people are just slowing down as they're driving past to get photographs and videos and what have you. So just be careful when you're coming on this road, which is the A303. Yeah. Decided to take a little short detour to Avebury Henge, which is the largest Druid stone circle in Europe, and this is part of it. And as you can see when we're driving in, you're seeing another part of it. It's huge. It's just a massive big circle, goes across the roads, through the village, through farms, and yeah. But different to Stonehenge, you can touch these ones. But yeah, as you can see in the other field, they're there. They go in a big circle. I'll try and get a picture off Google, like of an overhead picture. I can't fly the drone because it's part of Salisbury Plains, and it's a military zone, so I'm not allowed to fly the drone. There's a surprise, eh? Does that make sense? Good. So a roundabout made up of roundabouts. Roundabout and a roundabout and a roundabout and a roundabout. Just over 2 hours ago, I'll be dropping Matty off. Well, 2 hours 23 minutes until I drop Matty off, and then another half an hour and I'll be home. Hook up the trailer, and then we're going away for the weekend. Getting home, I've hooked the trailer on, and then we're going away for the weekend. Well, that's us camped up for the couple of nights. See you all tomorrow. Now it's time to do a job.